So I'm Simran Singh. I'm from Patna, Bihar, and right now I'm pursuing PGDM in soil with major in marketing and minor in analytics. And recently I got placed at Kohler. I have done BSc in agriculture, and before that I also prepared for NEET for full 4 years. Unable to do so, I opted for ICAR. It is a national level exam, and I qualified that with a scholarship. And then I went for agriculture. After that, I moved to MBA because during my agriculture, there were so many courses related to business. So that developed my interest in business, and hence I opted for MBA. After giving my competitive exam like CAT and NMAT, I contacted with so many soil alumni, and some of them I knew personally also, and they are really at good place in their career. So that helped me understand what actually soil is. And according to me, soil doesn't just make you corporate ready, it helps you evolve 360-degree overall as a human being. And yes, there is a USP of soil design thinking, so that also attracted me. It helps you solve big business problems with creativity as well as empathy. So these all factors helped me choose soil. Well, there has been a lot of transformation. It was really a transformative journey for me. The journey has been very transformative for me, and soil has helped me a lot in this. So the main thing I would like to point out is that it didn't just help me boost my personality, but also it have enriched values within me, how a human being should be. And like its courses, design thinking, the Himalayan retreat, the social innovation program, all of these courses, the sourcing inspiration classes, these have helped a lot building my personality, and it has helped me handling the stress management, how to be a leader, how to be a team player. Yes, it's a known belief that gap years are a disadvantage when it comes to placement, but honestly, I don't think it that way. Recruiters today don't fixate on the gap, they rather see your caliber, they look at your potential and what fresh perspective of value you can bring to their organization. Even in my case, I have 4 years of gap because I was preparing for NEET, but I don't consider it as a setback. Rather, I focused on how to move ahead in life. And also, I come from a very different background, which is agriculture. Not many people pursue agriculture as a career when it comes to their graduation. So, that also brings a very different perspective. Even recruiters were also very curious to know about my background. Even here in classrooms at Soil, my experiences, my way of thinking, and my examples, which I brought to various discussions, were very different, and faculty do appreciated it a lot. So in group discussions, other people also used to get a very different angle, very different perspective for the discussions. So overall, I would like to say that diversity of thought is what recruiters really value. Even coming from non-engineering background, I did not face a lot of trouble pursuing marketing along with analytics because Soil made learning curve manageable. Here at Soil, we have supportive faculties, peer learning, and rigorous projects and case-based study presentations. So these helped me a lot build confidence within me. So today I can say that I can comfortably work with data analytics, and I can comfortably use those skills in real world problems. So for me, neither the gap nor the background was a disadvantage. So they were actually a part of my journey which helped me eventually grow, think differently, and get placed at Kohler. So the placement process of Kohler was very structured and smooth. So there was a 4-step process. First was resume screening, second was psychometric process, third was group discussion, and fourth and final was personal interview. So during my group discussion, the topic was related to FMCG and FMCD sector. So I spoke throughout the group discussion, even I concluded. I didn't speak unnecessary, but yes, they looked for my confidence. They looked for what inputs am I giving. And talking about my personal interview, the interview started with, they asked about introducing myself, and that question was somewhat different. They didn't just say that, tell me about yourself. They said, how are you as an individual? So you have to prepare it that way also. Other than that, they were very keen to know about my agriculture background. They also wanted to know that why I want to go into sales. And other than that, they also asked about my hobbies and interests. And they also asked a lot of questions around my resume, about social innovation program which I did, about summer internship and the life project which I did. So there are various things which helped me crack the interview process. First one is definitely the career development session at SOIL. So they helped me refine my resume. There were various group discussions and mock interviews which we used to give. The continuous feedback also helped me strengthen my resume. And yes, at SOIL there are various guest lectures, there are industry visits which helped me know what the corporate world is, and that gradually helped me build confidence within. So one advice which I would like to give is, see, people say that hard work is important, some say that smart work is important, but according to me, consistency is what play a big role. Even if you are a hard worker or if you are a smart worker, you have to be consistent throughout. Even if you have career, even if you have ear gap or you have a different background, that actually sets you apart. So what matters is your confidence and your willingness to grow. So what matters is your confidence and your willingness to grow. Believe in yourself and be confident in whatever path you choose in your life.